Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim Whop Discords. By the end, you'll have your Discord account properly connected to Whop, so you can automatically get the roles and server access that come with your memberships. This is useful because once your account is linked correctly, you do not have to manually ask for access or wait for someone to assign roles one by one. Whop can verify your membership and connect it with your Discord access more smoothly. First, open your browser and head to the Whop website. If you aren't signed in yet, log into your Whop account so your settings are available. Make sure you are using the same Whop account where your purchase, subscription, or membership is active, because that is the account Whop will check when giving you access. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose the Settings option, the one with the gear icon. This is usually where platforms keep account preferences, connected services, security options, and profile details. This takes you to your account settings, where you can manage everything related to your profile. Take a moment here to make sure your account information looks correct before moving forward, especially if you use more than one account. On the Settings page, find and open the section labeled Connected Accounts. This is where Whop links to services like Discord, so it can verify your identity and grant the right permissions. Connected accounts are important because they help Whop know which Discord user should receive the benefits connected to your membership. In the list, locate Discord. If you don't see it immediately, just scroll until it appears. When you find it, click Add. This is the step that starts the connection between Whop and your Discord account. A Discord authorization window will open. If nothing pops up, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow the window to open. Sometimes browsers block new windows automatically, so if the authorization page does not appear, that is usually the first thing to check. Before authorizing, make sure you're logged into the correct Discord account in your browser or the desktop app. This matters because the account you authorize here is the one that will receive roles and server access. For example, if you have a personal Discord account and another one for work or community use, double-check that you are connecting the one you actually want to use inside the Whop Discord servers. You'll see a prompt explaining what Whop is requesting, things like identifying your account and the ability to add you to the appropriate servers. This prompt is Discord's way of showing you what connection is being made before you approve it. These permissions are necessary, so your purchase or membership on Whop can translate into the right Discord roles. Without these permissions, Whop may not be able to confirm your account or place you into the correct server areas linked to your product. Review the details, then click Authorize. You may be asked to complete a quick verification before it finishes. If Discord asks for verification, complete it carefully and do not close the window until the process is done. After authorizing, you'll be redirected back to Whop. On the Connected Accounts page, Discord should now show as connected. This means Whop and Discord are now linked successfully. That's your confirmation that your account is ready to claim eligible Discord access associated with your Whop products. Depending on the platform setup, your roles may appear right away, or it may take a short moment for Discord to update. If something doesn't look right, refresh the page and double-check you're signed in to the intended Discord account. You can also reopen the Connected Accounts section to confirm Discord is still showing as connected. That's it! Your Discord is linked, and you're set to claim Whop Discords tied to your memberships. Now, you should be ready to access the Discord servers, roles, or member areas included with your Whop products.